We've developed a revolutionary and sustainable way to transform waste plastics into new products. The only problem is that it's leading to a lot of trash talking.
Aw, nice lid, bro. Oh, tell your mom I'll see her later, as my new laces.
But advanced recycling has changed the conversation.
I used to feel so empty inside.
Woohoo! Now I'm full of life.
We can build a future in which nothing is wasted. That's what we call a circular economy.
Private, you smell like failure and corn chips. Now get out there and make something of yourself.
Because we can recycle the plastics that used to end up in landfills, oceans, or worse.
Girl, you were just a one-time thing. Move over, because you can't compete.
And turn that plastic waste into shiny new plastic items.
Look, all it took was a little heat to break me down. Ooh, yeah. Now you can't keep your hands off me.
Here's the best part. Advanced recycling technologies allow plastics to be recycled and reused indefinitely, which means your trash really can become a treasure.
Eat your heart out, plastic grocery bag.
But let's start at the beginning. Watch our video series to get the full circular picture. First up is one about plastics.